Hi guys, in the day 15 we will discuss about a Python advantages. What are the advantages? Everyone want to learn Python due to its many advantages, so I will share with you. So day 15 Python advantages. First of all, easy and simple syntax. Programming languages have their own syntax, difficult and easy syntax. But if you want to learn Python have a very easy and simple syntax. For example, if you want to print something else on the screen, print means if you want to display anything else on the screen, you can use only print function. In the parenthesis and in the single double quotation, you can display anything else. So you can also perform any arithmetic operations, 2 plus 3 to multiplication by 5, so you can use print function. So print function is used to output anything else. So there is a many other example. You will find that Python is very easy and simple one programming language. Its syntax is very easy, so you did not need to put any semi colon at the end. It is optional. So any other programming language like C++, it is necessary to put a semicolon at the end of statement. So there is no restriction of putting the semicolon at the end of the statement in the Python. So another is a strong community. There is a community of the Python. If you face any problem, you can discuss its community. You will get many answer if you have any question about the Python. If you confused with any topic, writing, coding, any other things, if you are confused, you can put your question. You will get many answer if you share your question in the Python community. There are many groups on the Facebook. You can join that group, so you can get many help from that. And as the readability, when you write code in the Python, it have a readability property, easy to read. Powerful libraries, many libraries you can learn and you can get help from that libraries to work with any other fields. For example, these libraries you can learn to work with different fields. For example, if you want to work with the web development with Python, there is a library of the Python you have to learn at first. For example, Django, Flask. These are the two libraries you can learn if you want to work with web development. Data science, there is a many libraries of the Python like pandas and other libraries. Maybe you can learn that libraries to work with data science. So data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, so these are different fields. You can work with Python in this field using its powerful libraries. You can get any functionality if you want using Python libraries. So there are many libraries you can use to work with any functionality. Another is a portability. It have a portability property. Open source, there is no fee to pay to use Python libraries or Python coding. It is a open source. Easy to learn, there is no difficulty to learn Python because it have a simple and easy syntax. Most trended one primary language. You will see that when you search on the internet, you will see that Python is the most trended one primary language. You know that in the first day I discussed with you about a basics of Python, in which I share and I give a proof that on the internet Python is a trended one primary language. Take less time to develop any system. It take very less time because you write some code, you will get more functionality. That is why we use Python to develop a system fastly. High quality software you can develop using Python. So these are different advantages of Python. That is why everyone want to learn Python to develop any website or to work with any other field like artificial intelligence, robotics, machine learning, etc. So these are different advantages of the Python.